Guys, it's Super Squad. And welcome to Super Squad Family Vlogs and Gaming. And today, it's my birthday today, so I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna make an unboxing of the Dran Brave on the Beyblade X CX line. Here's it from the box, and here's the back. It actually includes a launcher in here, but I actually have the Beyblade since you saw the Beyblade X tournament. So we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. So look, what do you say about the new CX line?
It's not bad. It's also not that.
It is.
It's in the middle there. Yeah,
But actually, it actually is.
I think the first version.
It actually is a new gimmick since.
Is it faster?
Faster, I think. It actually has new customization design since it actually is based out of the Beyblade Burst GT. It actually is based out of the Beyblade Burst GT, some sort of thing. So.
I'm gonna show them the blade.
So here's the spring itself.
Here's the bay, guys.
Here's the bay itself.
And the launcher. You can't really see it.
It's cool. Actually, it's so cool since it actually.
I'm playing Roblox because I'm bored. I'm bored. Hoy! Dol ka nito rin. Ginataga naman si Sophia bilang nag-overpay daw ka. Overpay daw ka para sa
actually, it goes with some instructions, which I don't understand.
Kung ba, di ba
And some
Miss Aya? Sophia gani, and also my... Hindi, ay basig si River to.
Si River man to.
Ang binang ko si Juan, si... Sophia daw, ang binang niya ikaw.
Ang sa daw ang avatar.
Ako to siya ka, tanong ko siya ako niya.
Here is the V-tip for the Dran Brave.
Yo, real.
Sana?
Connected to the Wi-Fi.
Here's the V-bit.
Saan ang Wi-Fi?
Sa SM, libre man.
The 680 ratchet. And can you balance it for me? Yeah, thank you. The wider launcher. Just gonna place it there. Yeah, there it is. They use it. Ah, no, you're Jordan ones. The string itself. And the grand annual.
This looks so aggressive.
And the grand annual Dran Brave. It actually is a cool,
I think this is the
cool
tip.
Beyblade. The V-bit. The V-bit. Lock it in.
Yo, there's a white part. There's a white part.
It looks so cool. Dran Brave actually looks so cool in his fourth form. It actually is cool. Since it actually is a cool fourth evolution.
Palangin, palangin.
Since it, but on the,
Strict na mo.
but
Strict na mo.
now I may look for some instructions on this first.
Look, it's pulse. Pulse.
Oh, I realized. On the new CX line, it actually has some 3 parts, which I forgot what these are. But in these 3 parts, it actually is unique for the new CX line. But actually, you can make some custom combinations with this. For you to assemble them, you can insert the blade insert the bottom piece right there. Put in the bit chip and then lock in place, and there you go. That's your blade right there. and then combine them like usual. Twist the ratchet into the left, wind a bit, and there you go. There's Dran Brave in there. So actually is a very good Beyblade. So we're going to test. We're going to test it out later on, and hopefully will be better than Dran Brave. So it also includes of a launcher in there, which I'm going to lend the launcher to my brother since he doesn't have a launcher for me to.
Look at the customization.
Yeah, it actually is a customization. Actually, it was cool. Oh, by the way, look, you can get the Xeno Excalibur if you want. It's eventually available at Toy Kingdom right now. You should ask your boss. It actually, it was a Xeno. They actually have.
Saving for a bike.
Come on.
So I keep getting disconnected.
Look, you should ask your father. We should battle against each other with your Xeno Excalibur if you want to.
I wish.
There's 2 more left in stock. It's almost sold out, man.
CX.
The Xeno Excalibur, like the Burst remake of Xeno Excalibur.
You mean the one that I bought in Davao when you're done with the birthday?
Yeah, but it's the older version, but it's the X remake. It's a better version.
It's the old.
It's the old Bay, but it's the X remake. Which means it will actually perform better than the original stock. So it will be insane as it is. So anyways, that's all for today. Hope you guys like this videos. Anyways, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
See ya. Blue Squad out.
Out.